What is the process of controlling? In this video, we are going to study the process of controlling. In order to learn about the process of controlling, we have to go through the 5 steps. The very first step is establishment of standard. The second step is measurement of actual performance. The third one is comparison of actual performance with the set standard. The fourth one is identifying the causes of deviation, and the last is taking corrective actions. Now starting from the very first point or very first step, the very first step is establishment of standard. Establishment of standard means the amount of work to be done by the firm or the business house in a particular point of time. So if suppose if a firm is printing books, then the firm has to decide what amount of books to be printed in a single day or some amount of hours. So whatever amount of work is to be divided or whatever amount of books to be printed in a particular point of time, that is the standard set by the firm. So that is the first step, establishment of standard. Now the second step is measurement of actual performance. The standard is being said that 1,000 books to be printed in a day. Now what actually firm is printing is the evaluated amount is 800. That is the only 800 books has been printed in a single tray. So this is the evaluation or measurement of actual performance. Now the third step is the comparison of actual performance with the set standard. Comparison of actual performance with the set standard means actual performance was 800 books a day, and what was the set standard? That was the 1,000 books to be printed in a day. So the actual performance to be compared with the set standard. The set standard was 1,000 books and the actual performance was 800. So in comparison of the actual performance with the set standard, we have find out that the actual performance is not up to the set standard. Now the next step is identifying the causes of deviation. Causes of deviation means whatever difference is coming in the process of work, what are the causes behind these. So we have to find out the causes, or we have to find out the problems coming in the way, so that we are not achieving our targeted goal, or we are not achieving the amount of work to be done in a single day or in a single hours or in a single particular or in a particular point of time. So this is the identifying of the causes. Now the last step is, and the very important step is, the taking corrective actions. Taking corrective actions means applying the solutions on the problems through which we are not getting our work done in a particular point of time. We have decided to print the 1,000 books, but we are not achieving our target. So what are the problems and what are the solutions of those problems to be applied in order to get the work done in a single point of time? That is the taking corrective actions. Now we have studied, or we have discussed, the 5 steps in a process of controlling. The very first process was establishment of standard. Establishment of standard means the amount of work to be done in a single day or a single point of time. The next was measurement of actual performance, that we have said that we have to produce or we have to print the 1,000 books, but what actually we are printing is only 800 books. That is the evaluation or the measurement of the actual performance. The third one was comparison of actual performance with the set standard, means whatever amount to be done and what has been done. This is the comparison between the actual performance and the set standard. The fourth one was the identifying the causes of deviation. Identifying the causes means the why the work is not up to the marks. There must be some problems coming in the way, so that we are not getting the updated work. So that is the identifying the causes. And the last one is taking corrective actions. Taking corrective actions means applying the solutions so that we can get the desired result in order to get our desired goal of the organization. That is the taking corrective actions.